Yeah, dude.
Yeah, dude. All right, Jerk Squad. We're here today. I am going to be eating Buffalo Wild Wings new wings. This is the Carolina Reaper Blazing hot sauce on these wings right here. My dude Jasper Teen right here is going to be the referee. He's going to be the referee to make sure that I eat all of these wings. Now check this out, you guys. They have a warning label on here that says to make sure to wash your hands and don't touch your eyes. Here, let me just read it for you. Warning, blazing sauce may irritate eyes or skin. Wash with large amounts of water. And just so you know, I don't have any water near me. All I have is one beer to put out the flame. So we'll see how that works. But this is the new Blazing Carolina Reaper sauce. I have 3 wings right here. And I'm going to be eating these for your guys' entertainment. And you can live vicariously through my pain.
I can't wait for this.
He's the one who wanted me to do this really bad. So I'm like, you know what? Let's do it. So here we go, guys. This is it. I have 3 Carolina Reaper Blazing hot wings from Buffalo Wild Wings. I am going to eat these, and once I finish all of these 3 wings, I'm going to do a 3-minute afterburn. So make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. Please go down in the description and buy some Perch merch. I'll leave the link there for you, because this is going to go in really hot, and it's probably going to come out really hot. So
Good luck.
all right, guys. Here we go. This is it. This is the Carolina Reaper Challenge Blazing hot sauce from Buffalo Wild Wings. All right, and as soon as I finish these 3 wings, Jasper Teen is going to start the timer for 5 minutes, and I've got to sit and endure the pain for 5 minutes.
Good luck, man. I'm telling you.
All right, here we go, guys. This is it. Carolina Reaper hot sauce from Buffalo Wild Wings. Let's do All right, let's go. Here we go.
How you feeling
No
so
cuss
far?
words. No cuss words. All right.
Oh, damn. How you liking it, man?
It's good for now.
That's what I was saying. It's not that bad, right? Until you feel the burn.
Okay.
Oh, shit.
Let's get it down.
Oh, shit.
You're good. I got dolphin sounds to edit that out. Don't worry.
Oh, man.
There we go. 1 wing done.
I can't wait.
2nd wing going down. Let's go.
Oh, man.
Yeah, it's a little bit spicy.
I told you, dude.
Okay.
It's freaking spicy, man.
I can feel it creeping up now.
Yeah, dude. I don't know what's worse, the Reaper or the Creeper.
It's creeping.
I feel it, man. Oh. How's that tasting? You feel it yet?
It tastes good.
Oh, shoot. Oh,
it tastes good, but it's actually really hot. So.
I told you. Dude, I'm so excited to see your reaction.
All right, right now my lips are starting to burn. My tongue is on fire right now. It's on fire.
Oh my gosh. I can't wait. I can't wait for the afterburn.
I have to finish these.
Show no mercy.
That was my strategy. I had to get it down.
Oh,
all right, let's go.
Let's go. Do it. Do it. Ooh, and
Start the timer.
Timer started. Oh my! So wait, how do you feel about that? Like, it was good. I told you, right?
Oh yeah, so good. All right,
it's spicy, isn't it?
it is pretty spicy, guys. Ooh. Ooh. Yes, that is spicy. My mouth is burning right now.
I told you. You know
that is super hot. Hey, like and subscribe to this video. This is like sucking on dynamite right now. Oh my god. Okay, there comes the snot.
I was warning you. That's why I came with the warning label.
There is literally a warning label that says, "Be careful, don't eat these." Like, I'm sitting here eating these.
Dude, you crazy.
Woo.
I don't know.
Look, there's my first tear. There's my first tear. It just ran down my... Oh, there's another one. See him?
I was waiting for that, to be honest.
I can taste my tears in my mouth right now. Oh, and now my nose is running. Just so you guys know this isn't fake, I literally have tears running down my eyes right now. This is for you, Jerk Squad. Please like the video. I'm doing this for your entertainment, and this guy over here wanted to watch me do this, so I was like, all right, let's make a video out of it.
Hey, you know what? How can I eat spicy wings without having the Jerk Squad test it out?
Jerk Squad's got to be a part of it, you guys. All right.
Oh my god.
All right.
I told you. It's like...
So what's going on is my mouth, my whole entire mouth is on fire. Like, imagine if you held a lighter under a metal rod for like 2 minutes straight and then took that rod and put it in your mouth. Oh my god. That is what I'm feeling right now in my face.
Oh, dude.
Look at my eyes watering.
Oh,
Can you
man.
see that?
Oh yeah, you can.
And my nose running. I probably shouldn't touch that on my face.
I told you, dude. Those wings are spicy, man.
Oh my gosh, dude. All right. Well, that's pretty spicy.
Yeah, I give
it's
you
pretty
props for
hot.
doing that.
How much time do we got? I'm halfway there. Excuse me. Whoo.
Oh man.
Whoo.
You said woo.
Oh my gosh. All right, I'm doing my best to not touch my face with these fingers. That's a bad idea.
I heard it's a good idea if like you rub your eye with it.
No, bad idea. Bad idea. Read the label, Jasper. It says, warning, will irritate your eyes.
Oh man.
And it says something about large amounts of water, and I don't have water anywhere near me right now. Okay.
Oh my gosh, dude! I can't believe you freaking ate that.
So we're just burning right now. You're just chilling. You got to take the 5-minute afterburn. We're just burning. That's it.
I still give you props for doing that. Not going to lie.
The 5-minute afterburn's what you got to do.
Yeah, that's what's up.
That's how you do it. Anybody who eats hot food out there, you already know. When you're crying, you got 5 minutes of crying. Like, and even after the 5 minutes is up, you're still not safe. You're still burning. It doesn't matter what you drink. The oils and the capsaicin, it stays in your mouth.
Dude, imagine you start seeing people start timing themselves that they eat spicy stuff now.
Yeah. Well, everyone should. It's literally like a rule of eating spicy food. You have to do the 5-minute afterburn.
Dude, that is way too funny.
Oh my god. Listen here, Coors Light. I am going to chug you when this 5 minutes is up because this is really hot in my mouth.
Hey, we're almost there.
We're getting there.
One more minute.
Oh
Can
my
you
god.
hang?
I can hang. Imagine if I just dumped right into the beer. I can't do it, guys. Like, the Jerk Squad would disown me forever. They'd be like, get this guy out of here. We can't be watching this dude fish. Like,
dude, that's why I wanted you to try these wings. I told you they're freaking spicy.
Oh my god.
Hey, but I gotta give you props. You tore that.
I'm doing this.
SH up.
Yeah, we're trying not to cuss.
I know.
So, I'm surprised I've done this well so far. All right,
You're at 18 now.
The Carolina Reaper is the hottest pepper in the world, and that is what they made with this blazing sauce right here. And it lives up to its name. It's pretty much blazing. If this was on a hot scale, my hot scale, I would put this at about like a 6.5 to 7. Is that it?
Oh,
that's it, Jerk Squad. I did it. 5-minute afterburn. Hey, what did I promise, guys? I told you I'm gonna slam this as soon as this timer's done.
Hey, cheers.
All right, you know what? We got a little nugget in here. I'm gonna chase it down. Whew. I shouldn't have done that. All right, cheers, guys. I did the Carolina Reaper Blazin' Hot Sauce Challenge. And now it's getting even hotter.
Dude, I'm surprised you lived.
Ooh. All right, turn that off, please. Oh my god. All right, there we go, guys. Cheers, Jerk Squad.
Oh,
I earned this right here. All right, like I said, I chug it. I told everyone I'd chug it. We're doing it.
It's time to cool off. Wait, that's what you call chugging? Oh, he was not playing.
Woo!
That's
Oh my
what we call
gosh,
the
dude.
perch jerker.
Hey, not only are we out here jerking, we're doing other stuff too. Whatever you want to call this, man, I don't know. But there you guys go. Continuous run on the hottest wings that I have around me. If you guys know anywhere that has hotter wings than the Carolina Reaper Blazin' Hot Sauce and Buffalo Wild Wings, let me know. And if you like this video, I will go eat them and record it for your guys' entertainment. And we will be back with more spicy stuff. I'm gonna leave the part of this video out where it comes out of me, so you guys don't have to see that part, but it's not gonna be fun. But anyway, alright, Jerk Squad, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you like this video and you like me doing these kind of things too, let me know down in the comments. Be like, dude, this is awesome, do more, and I will do more. This was really funny and really hot. Oh my god, I hope you guys like this. Alright guys, Jasper Teen, he's my dude. He's the referee of this video just to make sure that I ate all these, and he wanted to laugh in my pain, so.
Oh, dude, that was so fun. The witness.
Oh my god, it's still so hot, guys. Alright.
I told you.
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Oh, excuse me. The next video, excuse me. The next video that I'm doing, I am going out on a charter boat with Sharking Crew out to San Clemente Island, and we are going to be fishing for yellowtail and bluefin tuna. So as soon as my mouth starts burning, or stops burning, I'm going to be heading out on a boat to go catch yellowtail and bluefin tuna in my next video. So make sure you guys subscribe. Next video is going to be a banger. Next weekend I'm going out with Sharking Crew. It's going to be insane. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. All right, Jerk Squad, I'm out of here. I gotta go get some liquids in my mouth. Peace.